Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to cut a song in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the program launches and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options available. Click on File to open a drop-down menu, then select Open from the list of options that appears. This will allow you to browse through your computer's files and locate the audio track you want to work with. A File Explorer window will now pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders and locate the song file you want to cut. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click the Open button at the bottom of the window. Give Audacity a moment to load and process the audio file. Depending on the size of your song, this might take a few seconds. You'll see the audio waveform appear on the screen once it's fully loaded, displaying the visual representation of your song's sound waves. Now comes the main part of the editing process. Look at the waveform and identify the section of the song you want to remove. This could be anywhere in the track, whether it's part of the intro, a specific verse, the pre-chorus, bridge, or outro. It's entirely based on your personal preferences and what you're trying to achieve with your edit. Once you've identified the section, click at the starting point of that section and hold down your mouse button. Then drag your cursor to the end point of the section you want to cut. As you do this, you'll notice the selected portion becomes highlighted, making it easy to see exactly what you're about to remove. This visual feedback is helpful because it ensures you're cutting exactly what you intend to cut, nothing more and nothing less. With your selection highlighted, go back to the upper left corner and click on Edit in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete or Cut. Both options will remove the highlighted section from your track. The difference is that Cut also copies the selection to your clipboard if you want to paste it elsewhere, while Delete simply removes it. The moment you click either option, the selected portion will disappear from your waveform and the remaining parts of the song will automatically shift together to close the gap. If you need to remove additional sections from your song, simply repeat these steps as many times as necessary until you're satisfied with your edit. And that's it! You've successfully cut your song in Audacity and created your custom version of the track. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.